Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your go-to channel for real, in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting rides. Today, we're checking out something that's part semi-truck, part luxury mansion on wheels. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This machine is turning heads everywhere it goes, and once you see what it offers, you'll understand why. At first glance, the T2000 Motorhome still carries that bold, aerodynamic Kenworth look we all recognize, but now it's packed with everything you could possibly want in a luxury RV. It's built on a full-size semi-truck chassis, and the sheer presence of this thing is unbelievable. Chrome accents, full-length slide-outs, ultra-bright LED lighting, and a premium paint finish make it look more like a luxury tour bus than a camper. Outside, you've got a power retractable awning that stretches wide for perfect shade, an outdoor entertainment system with a large flat screen and speakers, and tons of underbody storage compartments. It's the kind of RV where you could literally bring your entire life along for the ride and not leave anything behind. Now step inside, and this is where things go from impressive to jaw-dropping. You're welcomed into a fully customized interior that feels like a high-end condo. Warm-toned wood, soft leather seating, LED ambient lighting, and a wide-open layout create a real sense of home. The living room features a powered reclining sofa facing a massive 65-inch OLED TV with full surround sound. Perfect for movie nights wherever you are. The kitchen setup is just as incredible. You've got a full residential refrigerator, a smooth induction cooktop, convection microwave, quartz countertops, and even a washer-dryer combo. Everything is soft close, beautifully finished, and designed for full-time living. Even the bathroom is top-tier, with a full walk-in shower, featuring a rainfall head, porcelain toilet, and a lighted vanity mirror. It's more spa than RV bathroom. In the rear, the master bedroom comes with a king-size memory foam bed, dual nightstands with wireless charging, another entertainment setup, and climate control. And yes, there's more storage than most apartments. Everything feels quiet, private, and built for real comfort on the road. Under the hood, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is no slouch. It's powered by a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, producing over 500 horsepower with serious torque, matched with an 18-speed automatic transmission. Despite its massive size, the ride is smooth and surprisingly easy to handle thanks to its advanced suspension and steering system. And safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot detection, and a full 360-degree camera setup give you peace of mind wherever you're driving. There's also an impressive off-grid setup with rooftop solar panels, a 10 kW diesel generator, lithium battery storage, and multi-zone climate control to keep things cozy year-round. Whether you're parked at a remote lake or traveling cross-country, you're fully equipped. Now let's talk pros and cons. The pros: next-level luxury, a powerful and reliable drivetrain, amazing living space, and full off-grid readiness. The cons? Well, it's definitely not cheap. Expect to start around $400,000 and go up with customizations. It's also huge, so don't expect to squeeze into tight campgrounds or urban RV parks. And yeah, the fuel economy isn't exactly friendly, but honestly, none of those are deal breakers if you're buying a machine like this. So here's the bottom line. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is built for those who want to live or travel without limits. It's bold, powerful, and packed with everything you could ever need. And then some. If you're serious about luxury motorhome life, this one has to be on your list. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Would you take this luxury beast out on the open road? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next ride.